Welcome to Best Cars Review. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting upcoming vehicles, something that blends luxury, adventure, and cutting-edge technology in a way we've never seen before. This is the 2025 Volvo Camper van, a game-changer for road trips and van life enthusiasts. Imagine a vehicle that offers the comfort of a luxury SUV, the space of an RV, and the reliability of Volvo's world-class engineering. That's exactly what this camper van promises. Volvo, known for its innovation in safety and sustainability, has created something truly unique, merging Scandinavian minimalism with high-end functionality. From the outside, this camper van looks stunning. With a sleek, aerodynamic design, bold LED lighting, and a rugged yet refined stance, it's built to handle both urban streets and off-road adventures. The front grille carries Volvo's signature design, while the panoramic windshield and elevated ride height give it an aggressive yet sophisticated look. Open the doors, and you're greeted by an interior that feels like a modern Scandinavian home. Soft touch materials, sustainable wood finishes, and intelligent space utilization make it incredibly inviting. The captain's chairs up front are fully adjustable, heated, and even come with a massage function, because long road trips shouldn't be exhausting. The dashboard features a massive infotainment touchscreen with Volvo's latest Google-based system, offering voice controls, real-time navigation, and an AI-powered assistant. Wireless charging pads, premium Bowers and Wilkins surround sound speakers, and an ultramodern ambient lighting system make it feel like a futuristic lounge. Move further inside, and you'll see why this van is a dream for travelers. The rear area transforms into multiple configurations: a full-size bed for two with memory foam cushions, a convertible dining area with a smart pop-up table, and plenty of hidden storage for all your road trip essentials. The kitchen setup includes an induction cooktop, a built-in espresso machine, and a compact fridge that runs on Volvo's advanced energy management system. There's even a compact yet luxurious bathroom with a smart water-saving shower, making long trips completely self-sufficient. Volvo has always been a pioneer in safety, and this camper van is no exception. Equipped with 360-degree cameras for effortless parking, adaptive cruise control with pilot assist for semi-autonomous highway driving, and an advanced air suspension that adapts to different terrains, this van is built for both convenience and capability. Under the hood, Volvo has integrated its latest hybrid powertrain, offering a mix of electric efficiency and gasoline power for long-range adventures. The large battery pack ensures off-grid capabilities, powering all onboard systems without needing external hookups. Fast charging support allows a quick top-up at any charging station, making it a practical choice for modern explorers. For those who love the thrill of off-roading, the van comes with an intelligent all-wheel drive system, skid plates for underbody protection, and off-road driving modes that adjust traction, power distribution, and suspension height accordingly. Whether you're navigating through snow, sand, or rocky paths, this camper van is ready for the challenge. Technology plays a major role in making this the smartest camper van on the market. The AI-driven travel assistant can suggest the best routes, locate charging stations, and even recommend scenic spots to camp. A fully connected app allows remote control of climate settings, lighting, and even security features. With sustainability in mind, Volvo has designed the van with eco-friendly materials, a solar panel roof for additional power generation, and a regenerative braking system that maximizes energy efficiency. As the demand for camper vans rises, this Volvo stands out by offering the perfect blend of luxury, convenience, and adventure-ready features. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple looking for weekend getaways, or a digital nomad seeking a mobile workspace, this van is built to redefine the way we explore the world. If you're passionate about vehicles that push boundaries and set new standards, then this camper van is one to watch. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles.